Here we are at SHOT Show 2020, and we're taking a look at the LaRue booth, and I saw that they have a Haas CNC machine. I'm a big fan of CNC, as you know, I've done a lot of factory tours. I was talking to Marcus, who's talking to me a little bit about the Haas machines. Would you tell us a little bit about the company?
Alright, yeah, here today we got the DM2. We're making the chassis to the new LaRue bolt-action gun called the Siete. Haas has been making CNC mills since 1987. LaRue actually has serial number 1500 still operating at their factory today. We make a large range of machines, all the way down from tiny medical machines that are the size of a vending machine, up to huge industrial machines with a 12-foot bed geared towards the industrial machinery, mining, aerospace industry, and have machines that'll cut pretty much every material out there.
And CNC is basically a program of a pattern or what am I trying to say, a mechanical drawing into the program language.
Yep.
It turns into a bunch of dimensions, basically just a GPS coordinates.
Yep.
And this thing moves in whatever dimensions the machine happens to be. They can be 2, 3 more dimensions.
Yeah, exactly. So typically you'll have a solid model that your engineers design or you get from a vendor. Then you bring that into a manufacturing program which you apply tool paths to, and then a post-processor converts those lines on the screen into the G-code that's being read here. And these are all your XYZ axes, and the machine's just following that program.
And it's what's neat is how we have all the 3D printers and I have a smaller version, a little robot like this, consumer model, where you're just using scale. We're using scaled down versions of the same thing, so we're all starting to talk that same language as we go forward into the days of Star Trek, hopefully, right?
Yeah,
where
absolutely.
we've got replicators and stuff that we wish it, we describe it, and it pops out in a couple of minutes at the other end, thanks to machines like Haas.
Exactly.
How big is this thing? How heavy is this
This
thing?
one's approximately 7,000 pounds.
You said they only have one forklift that they use at the whole facility here to bring this in?
Yeah, this one, the SHOT Show, is most of the other conference halls will have a little bigger room, but the SHOT Show, we're probably one of the bigger units in here.
Because sometimes you can go to a show where it's all machinery or all concrete equipment, and your little beans can bring in a little machine in to...
Yeah, absolutely. Come check us out at IMTS 2020 coming up in September.
Okay.
And we'll have a bunch of whole new big machines. We got a big 5-axis coming out.
Cool.
Got a lot of new machines coming there, so
it's always neat. It's always neat to see machines, especially like this, when they don't have all their cooling stuff going, so that you can actually kind of see what's going on, because most of the time it's just a cloud of coolant.
Yeah, normally there'd be 20 gallons a minute of coolant flooding the work area. It's usually kind of white and milky, so you really don't see anything. Here we're just shadow cutting the part so you can see what's going on and how a body is made.
Right on. And again, I appreciate you taking the time here and bringing at the show. I was just saying how the LaRue booth is actually a pretty popular booth. They got a lot of great products. They offer coffee in the mornings, and they've got their Dillos, some traditional swag, and a lot of traffic. So you got a lot of people here, and they're all experiencing what a CNC machine is and the quality that it can produce. So I think it's kind of cool. Thanks for giving everybody that insight to the industry.
Absolutely. It's, we need more manufacturing operators, so spread the good word.
Right on. Thanks again.
Thanks.
The guys and gals at gunwebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching Gun Websites.